Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Ashurov channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Muscletech multivitamins for men. This is very helpful when you're coming home tired after work and you want to go to the gym. Just 30 minutes before the gym you take one with water and you start your workout. It's very helpful. It has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and you can check it out for yourself. They changed the bottle. It used to be like a white. Now it's dark. It has 18 vitamins and minerals, um, 816 mg amino supplements, 401 mg herbals, and 90 tablets comes in this one. 90, and it's very helpful. Um, this is for adults use only, and yeah, one direction is 1 to 3 tablets a day, depends on you. Very good vitamins and supplements just to give you an extra boost. And again, this high performance daily multivitamins. See? And guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like below, subscribe, and then share with everybody. Comments what you think about the video. I have other videos. I have over 350 videos. They're usually not that long. They're between 3 minutes and 15 minutes. Some of them are 20 minutes, depending on what type of video is it. I have videos for cars. I have for vitamins, for minerals, and some comedy stuff. Some changing parts on vehicles, like cabin filter, all kinds of things I have. And this again, the blue water that I showed you before, spirulina, and this is the high performance daily multivitamins for men, the Muscletech M. And the way they look, I'm going to show you, and always make sure it's sealed. This was sealed, see, and then I opened it, and this is how they look, the tablets, see. And before they used to be in capsules, and always make sure that it's the right amount, that it is what it says. Always check, see, always check to make sure. High performance multivitamins, Platinum, scientifically designed multivitamins. Each serving delivers 18 vitamins and minerals, including 100% or more your daily requirements for vitamin A, C, E, B6, and B12. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals along with amino support matrix plus herbs matrix that make this truly complex formula. This is not approved by the Food and Drug Administration. It's just a vitamin. I'm not a doctor. I'm not the health practitioner. I'm just giving you my opinion based on my experience and my friend's experience, and what this helps on a daily basis. You can use your own common sense. And this is distributed by Ivante Health Science. And that's it for today, guys. Welcome back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe below. Thank you. Bye-bye.